What's up, fam? I just snuck in before the show starts. And Wilson's up here doing sound check. Little Ann Wilson.
Yes, before we do that though, can I get some changes? Can you turn BGVs up a little bit? And then my vocal feels like, it's kind of hard to describe, it feels like distant. It doesn't feel like right in my ears, if that makes sense.
Sound check. Check,
So
check,
maybe
check.
try that, and then I'll let you know. Thank you so much. And then, can I get Christian up a little bit, his bass?
There you go.
That's good.
Sounds good. Check, check, check.